Hello everyone, welcome. Can you even see me? My skin tone is almost the exact same as my background and my sweatshirt. I just realized that. As you can see, I'm completely barefaced. And it has been a while since I have done a real-time 5-minute makeup look with no edits. People ask me all the time if I always go out with a full face of makeup on, and are often surprised to hear that no, I most certainly do not. And to be totally honest with you, I would go out like this, completely barefaced, and I'd feel just fine. I wouldn't feel great, but I could do it, and I have done it. But what I wanted to show you today is a real-time 5-minute face, and then after that, I'm going to show you how I can take that exact daytime look, add just a few products, and make it into a more full glam nighttime look. This is the season for a lot of holiday parties. And I know some people go right from work to a cocktail party or a happy hour or another event, and you don't want to have to take off all your makeup, redo it. So hopefully you'll find this video helpful in showing you how, with just a few products, you can take a daytime look to a nighttime look. Now, before I get into all that, I do want to thank Merit for sponsoring today's video. I have been using Merit Beauty products all the time for the past year. This is like the third or fourth video I have done in partnership with them. And today, while I won't be using all Merit products, I will be using mostly Merit products. I've partnered with them today to share something pretty cool with you. Merit is offering me a special code to offer to you that will get you 20% off all Merit Beauty products. This is a private pre-Black Friday sale only for those who have my secret code, and you will need that code to receive 20% off before 11:59 p.m. on November 24th. If you shop after midnight on the 24th into November 25th, you will not need the code. You will automatically get 20% off. It will apply at checkout. But if you want to shop early and make sure you get the things for yourself or that you want to buy as gifts, use the early access code. And with your order, you will receive this adorable mini version of Merit's signature bag. You can pop a lipstick and maybe a Flush Balm in one of these bags, twist it, give it as a gift to a teacher, to your best friend, your hairdresser. I mean, how cute is this? So cute. All right, now that you are aware of the pre-Black Friday discount available, I am going to hopefully do this makeup in less than 5 minutes. I'm going to set a timer for 5-minute timer. And what I'm going to do is a voiceover, because if I talk while I'm applying the products, it's going to take longer. So I'm just going to record myself doing this makeup as I would if you guys weren't watching, if I were just doing my face to go run some errands. But when I come back later and show you how I take the look from day to night, I'll do a talk through. Here we go. Okay, it took me a couple of seconds to pump out the priming moisturizer, but I eventually got it going. I love this moisturizer because, as the name states, it is a priming moisturizer. It preps the skin for makeup application, it helps soothe the skin barrier, and provides time-released hydration throughout the day. And then I applied the Minimalist stick in the shade Ochre and buffed it out with brush number 1. This complexion stick has light to medium breathable coverage. It contains fatty acids that condition skin and lock in moisture. It has sea daffodil extract that helps to diminish the appearance of pigmentation and dark spots. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, and this brush is ideal for use with any stick foundation. Then I took the Volumizing Brow Pomade in Taupe and gave my brows a little bit of color and some volume. My brows are so blonde and so sparse and patchy, and this product really helps to give them some definition so they don't look non-existent. Then using the matte Solo Shadow in Vachetta, I placed that all over my eyelids and up into the crease. Do you see how that just gave my eyes a little bit of definition? And I find that this particular shade also brings out the blue in my eyes. Then I was going to curl my lashes, but I grabbed the wrong lash curler and this one didn't do a thing. So I just went in with my Merit Clean Lash Mascara. This is a fantastic mascara if you have sensitive eyes or watery eyes because it is a tubing mascara. The proprietary tubing technology wraps and defines each lash with no smudging. It contains fatty acids and olive oil esters to condition the lashes, while vitamin B5 adds shine. This mascara can be removed easily with warm water and cleanser. Using the Flush Balm in the shade Cheeky, I applied that to my cheeks. And then I just blended out with my fingertips for a very seamless look. And then also to my lips. And normally I would edit out the part where I just blotted my lips to get any extra foundation off of them. But we're doing this in real time, so you get to see everything. And then I felt like I needed a little bit more coverage under my eyes, so I added more Minimalist. And now I'm just blending out some more. I find that the warmth from my fingers really helps to mesh the product with my skin and become seamless. And I also decided I wanted a little bit more blush. You guys know how much I love blush. And that's one of the great things about this Flush Balm formula is that it is completely customizable. If you want a sheer look, it can be sheer, or you can build it up to be more blushy. And finally, I just wanted to add a little bit of shine to my lips, so I added this super shiny, very comfortable, hydrating lip oil. That was it. 5 minutes, easy peasy. As you saw, I had a little bit of an issue with the moisturizer that took a couple of seconds. I have one that I keep here in my filming room, and then I have one that I keep in my bathroom. And I guess I haven't used this specific one in a while, so it had a little bit of that excess product at the end that I needed to get rid of that was dried out. And then, this is the worst lash curler ever. I don't know why it was in here. I have no idea why I grabbed this. This is a Revlon lash curler, and it is horrible. But not using it, what that showed me was that this Merit mascara, this Clean Lash Mascara, actually gives your lashes some lift. I don't really think I needed the curler. If I had a little bit more time, if I wasn't trying to get this done right at the 5-minute mark, I would have added a little bit more. Because when I don't wear eyeliner, which I don't bother with during the day, I do like to have my lashes look as long as possible and as dark as possible. So yeah, it's not that much difference, but as you can see, it can be done. These products are fabulous because they're so multi-purpose. You've got your blush and your lip with these Flush Balms. You've got your foundation and concealer with the Minimalist Stick. This Volumizing Tinted Eyebrow Gel is amazing because I have the sparsest brows ever and they are so light. This product gives me just what I want it to give, a very natural, everyday, easy brow. So what I'm gonna go do now is run my errands, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to take this look to a nighttime look with just a few products. All right, are we ready to transform? As you can see, I pulled my hair up into more of a sleek, messy bun. I just basically did a ponytail, wrapped it around, and then put a bunch of bobby pins in there. I also filled in my hairline a little bit with some hairline powder that I will link. I buy it on Amazon. I've spoken about it many times on my channel. So for a nighttime look, if you think you need to add a little bit more concealer to your under eyes, you can just go ahead and do that with your Minimalist Stick. And then I like to brighten my under eyes with a little powder. I'm going to use this blurring powder from Too Faced and a puff. If you do have drier under eyes, I would recommend using a brush. I have oily skin, so I am going to actually use this all over my T-zone. The next thing I'm going to do is contour my face a little bit. Now you can do this before or after powdering. Because I didn't really put any powder in this area where I'm applying the contour, it's fine. I also like to contour my nose a little bit. This is a contour slash bronzing product. I use it for both. And I'm actually going to use that same brush I used to apply the Minimalist Stick with, my foundation, and really blend that out. This product is so easy to blend. It's one of the reasons why I love it so much. And then I'm just using my finger. I know, I use my middle finger a lot. I know most people use their index finger. For some reason, I don't. And then for my cheeks, I'm gonna go in with a deeper color of the Flush Balm. I love a red blush. I think it just gives the prettiest flush to the cheeks. Now I'm going to take this Glow Balm on my finger and add a little bit of highlight to my cheekbones. It's not really a highlight, it's just kind of like a dewy, youthful glow. Probably gonna wanna brush your teeth again before going out, at least I do, so my lipstick would be gone anyway. Now I'm taking lip liner to outline my lips. And for lipstick, I can't decide if I want to use this shade, which is Maison in the Signature lipstick, or Baby. I think I'm going to use Baby. I absolutely love this lipstick formula. They're lightweight, hydrating, buildable. Perfect, perfect. It looks so good with the liner. And then for some shine, I'm going to use this beautiful lip oil. It's the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in Pink Beet. Okay, now if your brows are already really nice, you already have full, beautiful brows, you can skip this step, but I need a little bit more definition for my brows at night, so I am using a brow pencil. Now with just a couple more steps, we'll be done. I am grabbing one of these new Patrick Ta Shimmer Duos. This one is called Still at the Club, and I'm pressing that right over the shadow I used from Merit. It's going to act as a fantastic shadow base Look at that. Look at the difference that just made. And then I'm also running a little bit of that shimmer shade along my lower lash lines. Another optional step is to add some liquid liner, just at the very base of the lashes. And then I'm just adding a couple lash clusters to the outer corners of my lashes. 2 clusters on each side. And how easy was that? Just a little contour, a little bit more brow, a little sparkle on the lid, some corner lashes, lipstick liner, a little glow. It really should only take you about 10 minutes on top of the 5 you originally did to get this look. So I really hope you all enjoyed seeing this real-time 5-minute everyday makeup look taken to a more glam nighttime look, perfect for the upcoming holiday season. All of the products will be listed and linked down below in the description box of this video. And don't forget to use that code in order to shop Merit Beauty's sale early. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will consider doing so. I do post new content at least twice per week. You can also find more content from me over on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. My username is Risa Does Makeup on all social media platforms. That'll do it for this video. I hope to see you for the next one.